Hi all. This video we are going to discuss about robotic process automation, Blueprism, how to read PDF, what is the best way, and what are the methodologies we can use the read PDF methods. Suppose I will do some background. In most of the projects, they are planning to use and read PDF documents. In PDF, if you want to take the specific values, suppose you are using some employee details PDF that particularly there is more than 1000 fields. Particularly you want to capture employee number, name and some other fields. And after you capturing, you are planning to use in several ways. So here we can see how to capture the specific values. So before capturing or before taking the specific value in PDF, you have an option is using Control A to read all elements from the PDF and do Control C to copy the data. So first thing, Control A to read, Control C to copy the data. Then you have to use the function clipboard, get clipboard function using calculation stage, and this will be added to the clipboard. So what is the use of get clipboard in the calculation stages? Add these values, whatever you copied from PDF, this has to be added to the clipboard using get clipboard method. See here you are using Control A, Control C in PDF. The entire PDF has to be loaded before you starting your Control A, Control C option and get clipboard option, because if it is PDF is not loaded properly, then this should be failed in the attached and detached issue. And think, if your PDF is large, you may need to add a brief wait before doing. To copy, make sure whole document is loaded. See, the large PDFs, it will take some more time to load and get the values. The things you have to do is launch PDF in Acrobat Reader. You can use small weight. Using get clipboard method, you have to copy to clipboard, get clipboard to the data item, and split your lines into a collection. Then loop or filter the collection to find the lines you want. The one more thing you have to use is, if you want to get specific values, then you can always go with regex. It would be better way. So if you are a .NET resource, then you probably will know regex patterns are used. Suppose you are using email, so regex patterns will help you to validate this email and get the best email IDs. So it always correct the values and irrespective of where person. So, so here you want to extract PDF from employee number, name, and salary. Then you have to create a collection. In that collection, you have to add rows, whatever you want, and you have to use regex patterns. Looks like so. Regex patterns always with, if you want to use name, that is different, date format is different, and see, if you are using date DDMMYY or MMDDYY, based on the format you have to change. So this type of things will help you sorry for disturbing some other voices. This will help you to get the regex value. So in here we can see what is the scenario based, where we can use ordinal attribute and match index attribute. So ordinal is just an attribute from within the application, much like any other. But match index is, it tells application modeler to stop searching the application once it has found the best matching element. Suppose you have 10 matching index. Think you have name, first name, last name, like that. You have 10 matching index. It will stop searching the application once it found the first matching element, that is match index. So what would be the match reverse? Match reverse will start from end of the 10th element. If it matches with 9th, then it will stop searching on it. But ordinal is different. See, you have, if ordinal in usually be used in Windows applications to capture these values. Suppose I have two text boxes. The name is first name and last name. So when I take ordinal is first, it always takes first name. Ordinal is 2, it always takes second or last name. So this is the main difference when you use with match index, match reverse, and ordinal. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.